Hello viewers, as I earlier stated during my videos of MS Word translation that I'll share you Excel translation. So I'm here to share you 3 methods of Excel translation and without any third-party app. So let's watch it on the screen. So let me share you first the conventional method which is known to almost every person, that we take text and we copy that. We go to Google and simply we type translate and then we translate and further copy and paste. This is time consuming and a lot of steps are needed to be done. So let's leave it, cross it. The first method, just click on the cell where text is available and press from your keyboard Function key, Alt key, Shift key and F7 key. The windows appear, upper language, lower language. So lower language, you can select any type of translation. So I've selected the first as Urdu. Right click, copy and paste it. It's completely soft and easy to edit. Now let me share you the second method, cross the same. Right click on the cell and go to translate. The same window appears and you can take any language you wish. Let's suppose I am choosing Russian. And now shortly I'll share you the third option. You can simply copy and paste or Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This is in front of you. So let's go for the third method. Click on the cell where your text is available, go to review and translate. The same process appear and text available. You can select any language. Let me choose Chinese. You may be a little careful because translation is not 100% done as per your expectation. So read your translation and do correction if required. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.